Use a damp microfiber cloth to clean your appliances like refrigerator, microwave, oven, and other kitchen appliances. This way, you'll remove dirt and grime with ease. Yes, using a damp microfiber cloth is a great way to clean your kitchen appliances like refrigerator, microwave, oven, and other kitchen appliances. Microfiber cloths are extremely absorbent and can pick up dirt, grime, and bacteria with ease. They are also non-abrasive, which makes them safe to use on most surfaces. Here's how to use a damp microfiber cloth to clean your appliances. Start by unplugging or turning off the appliance. Remove any loose debris or crumbs from the interior of the appliance. Fill a spray bottle with a solution of warm water and a small amount of mild dish soap. Lightly mist the inside of the appliance with the soapy water. Use a damp microfiber cloth to gently wipe down the interior of the appliance, being sure to reach all the corners and crevices. Wipe the exterior of the appliance with a damp microfiber cloth. You can use another spray bottle with water to remove any remaining grime or dirt. Dry the appliance with a clean, dry microfiber cloth or let it air dry. Note that for appliances that has heating elements like oven, stove, or toaster oven, use a damp cloth or sponge only to avoid any short circuit or fire hazards. Also, for appliances with different type of coating or surfaces like stainless steel, always read the manufacturer's instructions to check the recommended cleaning solution or method. Keep in mind, cleaning your appliances on a regular basis will help to prevent dirt and grime buildup and will also help to prolong the life of your appliances. If you want to see more of our videos like this, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay in the loop.